Very good morning, students. So, today we will discuss the very important and very interesting topic, that is entrepreneurship. So, let me discuss about what is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who always search for the changes, respond it, and exploit the opportunity in the market. As you know that with the liberalizations, globalization and privatizations, the demand of the customer is increasing day by day. So he must be given a quality product with innovative technologies, with advanced of the technologies. So you know that entrepreneurship plays a very important and very vital role in the organizations. So there are different types of entrepreneurs are there. First one is our innovative entrepreneur. As the word innovative itself shows innovation. Innovations means to find out new technology, to find out new product, updated technology, advanced technology. As you know that we are advancing toward the automation. It's a time of automation. We must be updated. So there are so many examples of innovative entrepreneur like is Amazon, and you know that we having one example, that is Paytm. Paytm is started by Vijay Shekhar Sharma. So is innovative entrepreneur. IITs, IIMs are the various institutes which are providing different kind of services. They are creating innovative entrepreneurs. So there is a dearth of that innovative entrepreneurs in especially developing countries. So we must develop a innovative thinking, right, to become an innovative entrepreneur. Second entrepreneur is imitating entrepreneur. Imitating entrepreneur is find out in the less developed countries like is India or underdeveloped country where resources are limited and they are not able to that pay accordingly, and they always find out to imitate, means they are doing the copy. For example, in India, Flipkart is imitating company. It is started by Sachin Bansal and Vinny Bansal. So where resources are there, scarcity of the resources and scarcity of the funds, you will find out such kind of entrepreneur over there. Now next one is Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur, they are very that traditionally their thought is very backward. They are very shy, they are very lazy. They does not want to update in the business and they not create anything new. They works according to the footsteps of their predecessors, and Pop and Mom stores are the example of the Fabian entrepreneur. They does not contribute too much to the economy. So they are not successful entrepreneur. Next one is drone entrepreneur. Drone entrepreneur are also same as the Fabian entrepreneur. They never updated, they never changed. They works according the traditional old method, old system, right? So we having one example I would like to discuss with you. DCM, Data Computer. DCM Computer was early, that was a good company of India, but they never updated and they was out of the market. They was failure, right? Nokia also does not update it, one of the launched company, and they are now big failure in the market. So these are the various entrepreneurs which we discuss. Now next our topic is if you want to become a successful entrepreneur, what you have to do? Forward looking. A successful entrepreneur is always looks for the opportunity, he looks for the challenges, he looks for the technology, he looks for the new thoughts, new ideas. So his thought is always that futuristic thought, right? So next one is hardworking. An entrepreneur must be hardworking. He must find out that the solution, how he will solve the problems. He must put his 100% while he is doing any kind of business. Entrepreneur must be passionate. That he must having such kind of passion that he will never lose in his life. He must have a winning winning attitude. You find out the opportunities in that whenever there is a business is down, you just see that we are going to the pandemics. So those the businessmen who are passionate, they find out the solution and they become the successful. So that as you are students, you are studying through online system. So this is an example of innovation. That. Next one, confidence. Entrepreneur must be confident. He must know that whatever decision he is taking, he must be confident. He must sure about that one. As we know that in business there is profit, there is loss, but he must be confident. Whenever he will be confident, he will be motivated, and whatever decision he will take, it will be fruitful for the organization, and he will become successful businessman. Resourceful. Entrepreneur must be resourceful, right? Resourceful means what? He find out the various resources like raw material, labor, manpower, human resources, combine all these resources, and that lead a successful business. Next one, positive. An entrepreneur must having the positive thinking, positive thought. He must never think negative. That pessimist person cannot become a good entrepreneur. So this is all about the entrepreneurship. So what I discussed with you, that entrepreneur always plays a very important and successful role in our economy. As the words of Bill Gates, just create an entrepreneur, not an employee. Because in all the countries of the world, which are advanced countries like USA, Japan, Russia, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Norway, those are advanced countries of the world, they are always working on the human capital formations. They are creating innovative entrepreneurs. So innovative entrepreneurs plays a very significant role for the success of their own business, as well as they contribute huge to the economy. So this is all about today. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.